Hey, I didn't expect to see you back so soon, but you're here because you already know when something powerful calls your name. This is for you if you're the kind of person who refuses to settle for good enough, who notices tiny hitches in performance, who upgrades not for bragging rights but because you feel the difference every time you sit down. You've outgrown gear that just gets by. You want performance that feels like it was made for you. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. When machines like this are in demand, the deals you see today might not be there tomorrow. You probably remember that moment when you knew the old setup wasn't cutting it anymore. Maybe your games were smooth until the action peaked. Maybe loading screens crept back in. Maybe heavy editing felt like a negotiation instead of a workflow. That's the turning point, the one where compromise stops being acceptable and you start looking for something built without excuses. The first time you fire this up, you'll feel it. Not just speed, confidence. No more waiting. No more juggling background tasks to keep things smooth. You start something and the system meets you instantly. It doesn't try to keep up, it leads. Gaming sessions feel effortless. Ultra visuals feel like stepping into a world instead of watching it through a window. Cutting footage or rendering complex projects doesn't feel like waiting, it feels like flowing. Even mundane tasks feel sharper because the machine isn't just powerful, it's responsive in ways that make you go, oh, that's how fast it can be. And don't wait thinking prices might dip. High-demand rigs rarely dip gently. Stock tightens, and that smooth experience you want becomes more expensive if you delay. If you're wondering whether all that raw power is overkill, that doubt disappears fast. Because once you've felt the difference, going back feels like moving backward. What once seemed smooth suddenly feels hesitant by comparison. Here's something you won't expect at first, it changes the way you think about your setup. You don't sit down and hope it can handle the task. You trust it. You feel that confidence. You start choosing bigger projects, higher settings, more ambitious sessions, because the machine doesn't make you doubt yourself. Performance that feels immediate and solid visuals that pull you deeper in workloads that don't stall your momentum, responsiveness that feels intuitive. Takes up desk space. Premium power comes with a real price at a certain point. Comparison loops stop working. You don't revisit weaker options because you already know what you want. That clarity? That's priceless. Check the price now, make the move while you still can, and don't let this become one of those upgrades you put off, only to regret it every time your current setup reminds you what you were missing.